What up? Welcome back to this trade recap. Today is the 20th of November 2025 and I got two trades today. So let's just go over it real quick. So I was bullish because we swept this liquidity down here on the daily and we were rejecting off it. And the 4 hour, at the time we were respecting this fair value gap right here. On the 1 hour we had been respecting this hourly as well, even though we swept these equal highs up here, session equal highs, and this liquidity over here. I didn't really care because we've been so bullish and it just didn't make sense to catch a reversal like here. Even though it did play out when it tapped this hourly gap, it just reversed like crazy. 15 minute we had this bullish gap. I wanted to see it go down in the bullish gap and see it respect it and then go up and target this hourly bearish gap right here. The 5 minute also had a bullish gap here, which we respected, and -3 of liquidity here. And I entered on the 1 minute here after this inverse of this fair value gap. Yes, it looks like a mess. It really does, and maybe it wasn't the best conditions to trade, but my setup was here, and we also had swept this small liquidity right here before I entered, and I entered around here, and just 2 ticks lower. Boom, boom. Stop loss at this closure low. TP was all the way at this 1 hour bearish gap up here. The reason I didn't target this high up here is because the risk to reward was just not good enough for me. I target a minimum 1-to-1. So if I had gotten a better entry here, a lower entry, and it would have given me a 1-to-1, I would have closed the position right there. But I had the target up here. So that was the first one. I moved to break even after this high here was swept, which it got pretty quickly. And yeah, got taken out of break even right there. In the second trade I took, we went down and we retapped the 15 minute bullish right here. As you can see here, we inversed this 5 minute bearish gap. I got a bad entry. I got it all the way up here. Yeah, and my target was this final target buy side liquidity, and I moved to break even at this level here at this liquidity. And keep in mind we were also in a 1 hour bearish, so it might not have been the best trade, but I was just super bullish. It didn't make sense for it to go lower, even though it really did after. Just for me, it didn't make sense to go lower before it had taken out this buy side liquidity up here. I hope you also can see why it should have taken it. Didn't make sense, it didn't, but that's trading, that's Nasdaq, you can't do shit about it. But I got to break even today, and so it wasn't a crazy day. It was just very boring, a lot of waiting and stuff like that, but it was fine. It was good trades, and here's the P&L for today. So -17, so break even basically. So yeah, that's it for the trade recap. Make sure you subscribe and you like, share it with a friend who needs to learn trading with you, and join the Telegram.